Found a dog park. Gulliver gets to explore Grand Marais in his own way. Of course, nobody else is here, so he doesn't get to play, but I'm almost afraid we're gonna lose him in here. It's so big, and it's just a wooded, lovely area, so let's check it out. Park is owned by the city. Trails may be slippery due to ice and snowpack. Use at your own risk. Oh, beautiful. First tree, pee on it.
What's a happy dog? Does he just get to go in the dog park? Hey! Yay! He's a good boy.
Okay, we're arriving at Iona's Beach Scientific and Natural Area. We call it Iona's Beach because Iona Lind used to own a resort here in the parking lot we just came from. And she passed away, and her family didn't want to take over the resort, so they signed over the resort to the state of Minnesota. And so the state of Minnesota then made it a park. We got a little nature walk here to do. What makes this beach unusual is its pink rocks. Oh, it's 39 degrees right now. It's a little cold. Wind's kicking. Oh, we got to go down here. Okay. So the pink rocks are formed by them breaking off of rhyolite cliffs. It's a type of quartz made by magma from a volcanic eruption. And they say that these rocks sing. So there's like music happening. I don't know if that's going to happen today because it sounds pretty rough out there. You can hear the water. But I will try to capture that tinging sound of the musical rocks. So let's get over there. Brr! Oh my goodness, the things we do. That wind, if you guys only knew. This is probably like wind chill at like 25 right now. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I don't know if I can handle it. Maybe I'll walk backwards down there. What in the world am I just seeing right here? What's going on? Oh, somebody put a Bible in the cave. Oh. This Bible is new and free to take. You were created by God. Oh, but it's warm in this crevice. You can hear it? Oh, I guess I gotta come out of the crevice. Oh. Oh God, don't get wet. Oh, this is a beautiful spot. Shit. Oh, okay. Yep, looks. Oh, see, that's what's breaking it off. It's breaking off from. See if I can get my fingers to work. Oh. So, this is a very rare beach, hidden gem. So strange that we were just on the other side of this beach in the same access. And you see the rocks are not just pink. They're pink and black and like the rest of Lake Superior's rocks. But just on the other side of these trees is all that pink. The whole coast looks like this. It's so beautiful. Check out this cool beach access. I love this tunnel shot. All right, we are at Split Rock River. Cool tunnel to get over to the beach side. Some primitive stairs, but they're working. They're not good for people with bad knees, though. Not that I have bad knees, but I can feel them. Driftwood? We'll put that in the car. No, there's more sand here on this part anyway. Pretty cool. There's the river going on that side. Oh, bald eagle. Minnesota has a bunch of bald eagles. There he goes. Oh, that was neat. Nice capture. Cascades! And it is right on the side of the highway. Look at this. This is what they get to see when they drive this road. Is there a rainbow? Oh, there's a rainbow! See the tannins? It's absolutely beautiful.
Hey Jimbo, holy crap! I see a moose!
Gassing up for round number 2 of Gunflint Trail. Gonna take some extra little routes, and we're gonna go back to where we saw the bull and the female, and then we're gonna sit there and wait and see if we can see them again. But I mean, we won't sit there all night long. We'll wait until sun goes down. That's the latest. But the sun doesn't go down here until it was like 8:22 or something like that. It rises at 5:14. It's a lot of sunlight. So hopefully we will get to see a little moosey moose. Isn't he cute? So Jimbo's got us on another dirt road. We're still on a moose hunt. It's night number 2, looking for moose. Hence the different outfit for me. Same jacket for him. We did laundry this morning, so it's a clean jacket. But Jimbo likes to do this to me. Pull us off of these dirt roads that have not been traveled on in a long time. This one has like grass growing in the middle, rubbing up, tickling the belly of the Jeep. But there's also grass growing in the tire tracks that we're at. He looked at it on the map before we left because we have 0 cell service. We also have 0 bear spray. We have 0 snacks either. All we have is a cup of coffee and a thing of water each. I'm not worried about starving to death. We can turn around. But yeah, he likes to take us on these back roads. So we're in hopes to see some moose. Or a bear. I'll take a bear too. I mean, I won't take a bear. Ooh. But I'll view a bear. There's still snow on the ground. Currently 54 degrees for us. But this place is the Superior National Forest. So we're in a national forest also. That's pretty neat. But off of Gunflint Trail, Gunflint Trail Road is the moose viewing area, and it has this extra little dirt road. Jimbo got sneaky and found it on the map. I'm having a hard time keeping everything steady. So we're out here in pursuit of moose or bear. Even if it's a fox, I'd be cool with that too. But, I mean, last night's Jimbo and I did get to see a bull and a female, and that was our first bull. It was so fast, and I tried to get the camera going. Oh God, this road looks so rough. Okay, still in the middle of nowhere, and the sign says caution. Meanwhile, you see this road? I mean, really look at it. It's not been traveled on in a long time. And we got that. Caution. Jimbo, where are you going to turn around even if you wanted to turn around? I can't keep this thing steady. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, I'm documenting whatever happens to you, honey. Just in case you needed theme music for it. Little miss, little miss, little miss can't be wrong. He just found another tick on himself. There's on the outside of your pants? Jeez. Just from that, or you think from that hike before? Wow. This is terrible. I mean, I'm okay right now. I don't know. I'll have you inspect me later. Oh God, we got a little bit of mud to go through. Turn around, don't drown. You said we're always almost to the end. It looks like you could go the center piece, the center inside. Oh God, I got my window open. Oh, that water's flowing too. Nice job. Oh no, oh no, no, no. I said no. It's flowing. No. I said no.
It's a long way back compared to...
Well, if you think you can make it, but I'm going to cry if we don't. Close your window. You heard me. I'm going to cry. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, that water's flowing on that one track makes me think that, ooh, we might have more trouble than we think we have. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen over this hill? Okay, nothing. This guy is nuts. We're at the end of this trail, and it is a mud pit. I see water moving, like we're next to a lake. See? And the water is moving across this, like that. No, thank you. But he's gonna go test it out. I told him adamantly no. We're gonna have to turn around. We'll know by the size of the smile on his face whether or not we're going through it. All right, my man turned around. We didn't drown. You know, when they put those signs out, you never actually see the animal they're warning you about. So that was a moose crossing sign. Don't go too fast, you're chasing her. Hi, beautiful. Stop. Her boy's gonna be following her somewhere. Same girl, yeah. So yeah, They're doing the same thing they did last night, and we're here for it.